How to see password of your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Gmail application. Once you do, in the Gmail application, go to your profile icon. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, you will see the option of Google account below the application. Simply click on it. Now here in Google account, scroll to the right and choose the option of security. After that, scroll all the way down until you see the option of password manager. Click on manage password. Scroll down and search for Instagram. Click on it, provide the verification, and here you can simply see the password of your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.